folks, this is Whipple Weekly. It's Friday, August the 9th. We're at Ohio Valley Dragway for the streetcar shootout. Stay tuned for all the action.
Side takes the win 668. Right lane, Steve Weigel's going to take the win over Hayden Colston. Very hard for Davenport. Something's going on with the left lane, so Davenport doesn't break out. Yep, Davenport takes the win. Something happened with Ryan. And looks like Butner side takes the win, right lane breaks out 8:58. So it's going to be at the top of the track, it's going to be right lane, double breakout here, right lane breaks out less 8:52 to a losing 8:32. Takes the win as right lane breaks out. He goes 8:28. breakout 855 from Weigel. Top of the track. Oh, and Chris breaks out. Giving it over to Ethan. Oh! Both came off. Get there, something happened. So it looks like left lane's going to take the win, stopping the clock 591. Richard, 539, so we're losing 533 from Chad. Left lane, a little bit of backfire, right lane, yep, takes the win, 551. We got a backfire coming out of Ethan's car. Richard, 536, so losing 540. Popping on the track, the one block is going to be Butner. Right lane takes the win. Butterside breaks out 719. Take the win, 765 to and Butterside, double breakout here. Butterside breaks out a whole lot less than the Alvey side. This is going to be Grove, 767. Edens breaks out. Better start for Sherlock. Top of the track is going to be Sherlock, double breakout. Zach Terrell, Butterside. Both of them won it. Who's going to take it? Right lane takes it. And he goes 764. Start for right lane, top in the track, it's going to be Grove for the win. right lane's going to take the win. 492. He's going to go 499 at 143, so losing 581 at 104. What's he going to run? 504 at 146. Losing 536. And he's going to let out mid-track. Go 7-12. So he's going to let out mid-track.
This is the street shootout finals. He's going to make his finals pass anyway. He's going to run solo just for fun. He wins.
There he goes, 488 at 146 miles an hour.
Hey folks, this is Whipple Weekly. It's the day after the race. I'm editing my video, putting everything together, and I wanted to let everybody know next Friday we'll be headed to Clay City for the Bluegrass No Prep, and then I have full intentions to go to Midnight Madness at KD Saturday night if I can get up there. I'm sure I'm going to be tired, but I appreciate everybody that's watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos. It goes a long way. Stay tuned for more races, because I got a lot coming before the year is out. Thanks, guys.